Hi guys, welcome back. We are here for What Do You Know? Another Victoria's Secrets pink haul. I have no idea what's in this package. There's two of them, two different orders. So we're going to open up and see. Yay. There's going to be a part 1 to this video and a part 2. So yeah. And make sure you hit your bell notification if you're subscribed, because right now the people on the live are seeing this as it happens. Like if you don't see when it happens, it's going to be a few days before it gets posted and it goes public, because you have to let YouTube do their thing. So make sure you try to join the lives, or you can watch it on the live, go back and watch it. And also check out my channel memberships and my merch. It's pretty cool. Still waiting for the stuff I ordered to come in. It feels like it's taking forever. Okay, so first things first. Oh, this is pretty. This is the Victoria's Secret's Warm Vanilla Woods. And what line is this? It says glazed vanilla, whipped pistachio, and pear nectar. And it's got glitter on it, on the packaging. Yay! Now I'm going to smell it. Oh, yes. I'm going to smell like 100 things now. That smells really good. You guys smell that. It smells so good. That is really good. And I love that packaging. Anything with glitter is like, it's really pretty, right? And now, let's see what else we have. I have no idea which order this is. I get super confused. You guys, do I really even need to say that? Because it smells real. Oh, wow, I never open them like side by side like that. So this is the Warm Vanilla Woods body spray. So it's a set, obviously, which is perfect. And it has glitter on here too. We're going to, again, the notes are glazed vanilla, whipped pistachio, and pear nectar. It smells just like that, those notes. So that's really good. But I wouldn't say it's a fall scent. It's definitely got that pear. It's spring, summer, I would say. You can get vanillas that are spring and summer scents. Let me see. How much did I pay for these? They were on sale, right? $6.95. Yeah. That's when they were $6.95. Okay. I'm going to have to just rip this one too, right? Ripper duns. Funny, if I were to put that book in my hand, I'd have a bunch of people on here right now. They'll be like, oh, she's reading that raunchy romance again. Come on, damn it. There we go. Oh, they all have glitter. This is the Velvet Berry Creme. I think it means it's creme when it has that thing over it. The E. My music. Hi. You guys. Oh, the notes are buttery berries, jasmine blossom, and coconut cafe. Ooh, that sounds like my kind of thing. Let's see. Hi, Mental Raccoon. Oh, that smells really good, y'all. I need like all of them. I can't help it. That is really good. That's very spring-like. Like the turn of winter to spring. Perfect. Oh my God, that's good. No, this is a haul of like new stuff I bought, but I told everybody on there they can actually send me e-gift cards for like Victoria's Secrets and Bath and Body Works, because it helps the expense with doing hauls. So every like new line that comes out, I would use, the gift cards for that. And then this should be I keep looking down instead of up. Okay, yeah. There's this one, the Velvet Berry Creme. Look how pretty the packages are, though. They're so pretty. Let's spray this one. Spray it in the cap first. That is real good. Let's sit on the skin. So when you go to the store, just take the cap and spray it in it. Give it a minute and then smell it. That's really good. That is a good spring summer because it's got the coconut. Yeah. Okay, so that is it for that haul, you guys, because this is like the collection, or the two that I got from this collection. I might have gotten one more, but I'm going to leave that order separate from for a reason. So the videos aren't too long. But here's these, and I absolutely love them. Do I think you should get them? Probably. Are they close to other things that they have? Probably. But my sniffer loves them, so it's a win-win for everybody. And just remember, the lotions only last a year, so once you open it, you got to use it up within a year. So use it in the morning and at night, which you need anyway, and don't let it go to waste, because a lot of mine have gone to waste. So thank you guys for being here. Thank you for your support of my channel. You guys are amazing. We already have 3 or 4 platinum members for the membership program. Make sure you check out the memberships. It's an amazing way to get extra Lissa Shops time, I guess you could say, and extra videos and shout outs and all that kind of stuff. And make sure you also check out my new merch right below this video. You'll see some items, but make sure you also visit my shop. There's a lot more items than what's displayed. You can only display so many. So make sure you check them out. And there's a lot of colors available as well. And if you ever want merch in like a different color, always email me at lissashops25@gmail.com and let me know what color you are curious about, and I can potentially add that to the shop, or if you have any merch ideas, anything like that. But I will see you guys soon. Thank you for your support. Remember to spread love and kindness, and I will see you soon. Bye.